Today's topic is sterilization of media. So, let's start with sterilization of media. Sterilization of media referred to as any process that eliminate, kill, remove or deactivate all form of life or other biological agent. Whenever we are talking about fermentation process, whether it is carried out in a small scale or whether it is carried out in a large scale, there is a three basic requirement of any fermentation process, that is fermenter, fermentation media and the fermentation organism. These are the basic requirement of any fermentation process. Sterilization of fermentation media is very important. Even in the lab also, if we are doing some practical in the lab also, we add media into the flask and then we sterilize this flask by autoclaving, and after cooling then we add the organism. If we are producing any kind of product, in that fermentation media should be sterilized very properly. If our media is not properly sterilized, then the media will get contaminated. Once the media will get contaminated, that leads to the lower yield of the product can be obtained. It can inhibit the product synthesis, may alter the product, ultimate this all result in the economic loss. So, it is very important to sterilize fermentation media properly. Principle of sterilization. Sterilization remove infecting microflora which would otherwise interfere with effective process. Sterilization means removal of any kind, removal of any contaminant, pathogens or any infecting microorganisms. That is the removal of all those things, otherwise it would interfere with our effective process. There are main two different ways for sterilization, that is destruction of microorganism and removal of microorganism. These are the two different ways for the sterilization. First, destruction of microorganism. Destruction of microorganism is lethal condition for microorganisms. We can use physical or chemical agent. Physical agent is mostly used which include such as moist heat, steam, heat, radiation. These all are the physical agent that will kill the microorganism. It is a lethal for the microorganism. The second type is the removal of microorganism. This method just remove the microorganism. It just remove the microorganism, not kill the microorganism. It is not lethal to the microorganism. Whereas destruction of microorganism is lethal for the microorganism. Removal of microorganism is not lethal for the microorganism. It is just remove the microorganism. Mostly filtration technique is used to remove the microorganism. Mainly filtration used for the gaseous fluids, examples such as vitamin, enzyme, this for that filtration technique is used. Here the important factor kept in mind are size of microbes and retention efficiency of the filter. Sterilization of production media. Sterilization of production media is done before the addition of inoculum. Before the addition of culture, we sterilize our media. Sterilization of production media is always done before the addition of culture or the addition of inoculum. Sterilization of media is depend on the chemical characteristic of media. It is always depend upon the chemical characteristic of media. What kind of raw material that we have taken for the sterilization, what kind of chemical that we have added. Okay, it always depend upon those things. If a media containing sugar cannot be sterilized by prolonged heating, since sugar undergo caramelization. If we are adding sugar in the fermentation media containing sugar, then we cannot heat for a long time, because if we are heating the sugar for a long time, that undergo the caramelization. If media containing sugar and phosphate together, then they are separately sterilized as it make hazy. Okay, if media containing sugar and the phosphate together, the sugar and the phosphate both, they has to be separately sterilized, otherwise it will make the media hazy. If production media containing substance that undergo the chemical changes as well as degradation, example such as proteins, vitamin, enzyme, then they can be sterilized by the filter sterilization and add into the cool medium. If our media containing protein, vitamin, enzyme, they are the heat labile. For that we mainly use filtration sterilization technique. Crude media require longer time for the sterilization. Crude media means our natural media required longer time for sterilization as compared to the artificial or simple media. Sterilization of media may be done 3 ways: by boiling, by passing the live steam, by subjecting medium steam under pressure. Means here is the use of autoclave. Steam under pressure means example, that is autoclave. It is necessary that the heat should be sufficient only to sterilize, avoid overcooking of the medium. When we are sterilizing the medium, the heat should be sufficient. Heat should be always sufficient to sterilize those media, not to overcook the media. Otherwise, once your media is overcooked, then it is useless. There is no use of those media, because the nutrient maybe get destroyed or change the characteristic of media. So we should take care when we are sterilizing the media, it should not overcook the media. Okay. Nowadays media sterilized by steam or steam under pressure. For that, the technique that we use, batch-wise sterilization, batch-wise in fermenter sterilization, and continuous sterilization of media. There are the 2 ways. Here I want to share some important points related to the sterilization of fermentation media, that is, use of sterilization technique depends upon the type of fermentation media used. If media is a larger amount, then the media is sterilized in a batch-wise. That always depend upon the type of fermentation media. Let's see batch-wise in fermenter sterilization. In the batch-wise fermenter sterilization, the things that we have to remember is that this figure, in that this is the batch cooker, this is the batch cooker, this is the fermenter. Batch cooker and the fermenter, they are connected with interconnecting pipe. There is a cooling jacket and there is a coil. Okay, in this figure there is a batch cooker, fermenter. For that connection there is interconnecting pipe, there is a cooling jackets and the cooling or the heating for whatever, there is a jacket and the coil. Batch-wise in ferment sterilization, in which this is the simplest method for sterilizing for production media. It is a simplest method. For sterilizing, in which in case of batch sterilization there is a batch cooker. This is the batch cooker is connected with fermenter via interconnecting pipe. Batch cooker is connected with the fermenter via interconnecting pipe. The batch cooker, the vessel containing batch cooker, they are equipped with coil or a jacket. That is a coil or a jacket for heating and cooling. The function of the jacket and the coil is for the heating and the cooling. First of all, we add the raw material in the batch cooker and then we provide the temperature around 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes before the cooling. Once our raw material is sterilized, then we pass via the interconnecting pipe into the fermenter. Before transferring the media, the interconnecting pipe and the fermenter must be previously sterilized. This is what all about the batch-wise fermenter. In the batch cooker, we add the raw material, we provide the temperature, and after once it gets sterilized, we transfer that into the fermenter. Advantages of batch-wise sterilization is that the batch cooker saves the production time. It is cheap and easy to handle. Disadvantages is it occupies increased plant space. It occupies the space because there is a batch cooker and the fermenter. So ultimately it occupies the space. It involves higher cost of additional equipment. As the batch cooker is connected with the fermenter, there is the additional cost is required for that. It involves increased steam usage. This is the disadvantages of batch-wise sterilization. And the advantages are that save the production time. Once in the batch cooker, when we are sterilizing, in the fermenter, whereas we sterilize after the sterilization, then we add the media into the fermenter and the media goes on. That ultimately what happened, that will save our time. We do vice versa also, and it is very cheap and easy to handle.